Check it out, see if Santa Claus came. Did he eat all the rest of them?
Yes.
He must not have been hungry to finish them all, but he ate almost all of them, didn't he?
Yes. I see presents.
Gee, who do you think they're from?
Santa.
So you think he came?
Yes.
What? Do you think he left presents for you?
Yes.
You think he left any for Anthony?
No.
No, why not?
Because he's little.
He can get presents.
He has a pacifier in his mouth.
Does he?
But even little boys get Christmas presents.
But he can't hold them. He just can grab people's hair.
Yeah, but you can help him open the presents. I can't believe Santa Claus came to our house.
And he brought new crayons and coloring for right here.
What?
Wow.
And
Did a good job wrapping
this.
All right, well.
These.
Sure.
Santa Claus is gone.
Yes. All right, Livy. Merry Christmas.
Cheese.